Okay, so you should have finished getting all of your list 1 divided by 2 and then generating all of these values. So here's the first 6, so check these, and then I'm going to scroll and show you the rest of them. Pause if you need to. So here's the last ones, and again I want you to compare to your original list what's happened when I divided all the data values by 2 to my summary statistics. So think about that, and then you can scroll down and see what happens. So what you should have figured out is if we multiply or divide by a value, it changes everything. And it changes by that factor, we could call it. In other words, we multiply or divide everything by that constant. So multiplying and dividing not only changes the mean and 5-number summary, but it also changes all those measures of spread. So before you go any further, I want you to pause the video and I want you to answer these next 2 test questions. So think about them, write down what you think your answer is, put it in pen so that you know if you get it right, you're going to have to cross it out and change it to whatever the correct answer is, but I want you to think about it first. So hopefully what you decided is that, of course, if I multiply by 2, it's going to change everything by 2. And if I add 6, so the mean would get changed. And then if I add 6, the mean also changes when I add or subtract. So here's my mean, x bar. I would double it and then add 6. Okay, if you haven't filled in the second one, think about B before you do. So what you hopefully concluded is that the standard deviation is only going to be affected by multiplying. Adding isn't going to change it at all. So I don't need to add anything because adding isn't going to change it. Doesn't matter what I do, adding doesn't change standard deviation, only multiplying does. Hopefully you got those 2 right.